Welcome to the course. My name is John Elder and I'm the founder of Codemy.com. Join me and let's unlock a world where you can build anything you want, create any startup you want, or get any job you want by learning the most important skill for our future, coding. I've been building things online for a long time. I built one of the internet's first advertising networks in the late 90s and sold it to a publicly traded company at the height of the first .com boom. Then I built one of the internet's first SEO tools, the Submission Spider search engine submission software used by over 3 million people around the world. I've written several Amazon #1 best-selling coding books, and today I run Codemy.com, where I've taught over 50,000 people how to code. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to use MySQL the database with Node, Node.js. And Node is absolutely one of the most popular JavaScript frameworks. It allows you to run JavaScript on a server, and it's very popular for creating websites and things like that. Likely you're going to need some sort of database with it, and MySQL is definitely one of the most popular ones. It's totally free, it's open source, it's used by too many websites to even name, and it's just very popular. So we're going to download all the tools you need for this course. They're all free. There's nothing more you have to pay for or buy. I'm on a Windows computer, hopefully you are too, but if you're on Linux or Mac, you should be just fine. All of these tools have a Linux or Mac equivalent that will work, and all the code that we're going to be writing, all this stuff is the same no matter if you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac. So if you're not on Windows, you should be absolutely fine. Now, I do recommend that you have a little bit of Node experience already. If you don't, you'll be okay. You'll be able to get by. I just don't spend a whole lot of time explaining the Node part.